Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best headphone amplifier that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EarStudio ES100 headphone amplifier. Most often, many of us seek to identify products that can help intensify the sound we receive from our headphones. The best way to do this is to purchase a headphone amplifier, a unit built specifically for such a function. If you ever require one of such product that you can quickly move around with, the EarStudio ES100 should be the model you consider. It is an excellent 24-bit, high-resolution headphone amplifier built to perform also as a Bluetooth receiver and a USB DAC. Its high versatility has set it apart from many members in competition and has helped see the sale of this unit skyrocket since its launch. The best headphone amplifiers feature two forms of output: the 2.5mm balanced output and the 3.5mm unbalanced output. It is designed with a studio quality to deliver sounds wirelessly to you through your speakers, headphones, or earphones. The complete package comes with two independent amplifiers and hi-fi DACs that help with full differential and single-ended outputs. The best feature many users enjoy is their ability to control their amplifier via a mobile application. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Neoteck headphone amplifier. The Neoteck headphone amplifier is another great unit on the market today. This is one of the mini amplifiers built for use on the road. It is delicate and features a lightweight and compact frame for easy transportation around. This amp from Neoteck features a louder sound that has more real stereo output and sharpness, but little distortion. It comes with two outputs, the 3.5mm aux input and output, and is packaged into a beautiful aluminum frame with a matte surface. The fashionable design of this unit, paired with its excellent performance, makes it a model to look out for when you go amplifier hunting. The Neoteck headphone amp for headphones can work for up to 8 hours with a fully charged lithium battery that is also rechargeable. It features remarkable compatibility with various digital devices, from your smartphone to your MP3, as well as your computers and your MP4. At number 3, we have the HeadAMP stereo headphone amplifier. It is the HeadAMP stereo headphone amp developed by professionals to deliver nothing short of spectacular sound all day long. Designed after research and launched only after countless testing sessions, these amplifiers offer additional output to any computer audio interface, mixer, iPod, workstation or media player. Despite the increased output, there's no creation of extra load on the existing headphone source, which is a great plus for this model. The unit offers individuals-level controls for all its headphone output, 4 in total. These outputs allow the amp to be connected to virtually any source with ease. Take the world by storm and start in your living room with this excellent headphone amplifier. It is well suited for those who seek to gain more control over their levels while they enjoy superior sound quality. We love this unit mainly because of its lightweight and portable frame. It also features controls that are simple to understand and use, and comes with a 16-hour capacity rechargeable battery. At number 2, we have the NextDrive Spectra 32-bit DAC headphone amp. In a universe continually being updated with new movies and music, equipment such as headphones and headphone amplifiers have become more of a necessity than a luxury. In this era, every pocket is filled with one entertainment library after another, and every day, these libraries are being updated. It is time to allow sound quality to be at par with the growth of all multimedia, and the best way this can be done is via the use of headphone amplifiers. The best portable amp currently in stores is the NextDrive Spectra, a multi-purpose unit built by sound engineers and other professionals for an excellent performance. This headphone preamp is a 32-bit device built to act as the next milestone in the audio revolution. It is here to help devices such as your smartphone, computers, and tablets, since they usually don't produce high-quality audio output. This unit has been packaged in a slender aluminum frame that might deceive many users about its performance. The Spectra has been built to pack tremendous power with sufficient output that can cater to the most demanding headphones. Many reviews from different forums mention that the Spectra amplifier from NextDrive is a superb unit with a sound profile that helps in the delivery of exceptional clarity and bass speed, a smooth treble, and also well-balanced mids that has no trace of harshness. And finally at number 1, we have the Sound BlasterX G6 Gaming DAC. If you're looking for a way to beef up your gaming audio system, you could use any of the headphone amplifiers on this list, but the Sound BlasterX G6 Gaming DAC is built for it. Designed from the ground up to provide accurate game cues, bass boost, and in-game voice communication enhancements, it's the only choice if you're serious about gaming. This is actually a sound card and headphone amplifier built into one unit. That basically means it can drive speakers just as well as it can improve the sound quality in your headphones. As an all-in-one unit, it's hard to beat. The headphone amp has a bi-amp design with discrete components through all the stages. Each audio channel is separately amplified, and the ultra-low output impedance means that it can run everything from sensitive in-ear monitors to 600W headphones. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.